In this video, I will show you how to cancel the automatic payments on Netflix. So first, just go and open up the Netflix app and sign into your profile. Then in the bottom right, click on My Netflix. Now from here, in the top right, click on the three lines. Now here, click on Account. And here in your account, you will see some details, but under billing details, you will see the button that says cancel membership. Once you click cancel membership, you can then here click on finish cancellation, and you will see it will take effect in this case on the 20th of August. So that means that you will not be automatically billed. Now, if you do want to continue using it, but you just don't want to be billed automatically, then you can still do this, and then you can just reopen your subscription at the end of this date. So in this case, the 20th of August. So just click finish cancellation right there. And then you can just go and cancel the automatic payment, which basically just means that you won't be billed anymore. So now you know how to cancel automatic payments on Netflix. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.